Hi friends, today we're going to have a lot of fun drawing a swimming tiger. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Start by drawing two medium-sized circles near the top middle of your paper. These will be the tiger's eyes. Be sure to leave a little white spot at the top of each eye for a shiny, lifelike look. Let's add the eyelids. These will make the eyes look bigger. Great job. Right below the eyes, draw an upside down triangle for the nose. Make sure the edges are soft and rounded. Under the nose, draw two curved lines for the tiger's mouth, like a little smile. Great work. Draw three simple dots and add a few whiskers. Your tiger is looking more and more real. Draw a smooth, simple line under the mouth to create the chin. Above each eye, draw a short curved line for the eyebrows. Now, draw three or four stripes on the tiger's forehead. Start small in the middle and have the lines curve slightly towards the sides. For the hair, draw small spike lines on top of the forehead. Add two small ears on the top of the head. Add a few lines that show how fuzzy the ears of tigers are. Let's start drawing the cheeks. Let's start with the left side and then go to the right side of the face. Don't forget to add a few stripes here too. Tigers are known for their bold patterns. You're doing amazing. Let's move to the body. Start with the tiger's right paw. Draw a strong curved line going down and draw another. This will be his paw. Add a few more stripes on his right paw. Draw a line for the belly. And on the opposite side, draw the left paw in a similar way. Keep the legs slightly bent as if the tiger is gliding through the water. and add stripes on the sides as well. From the cheek, draw a smooth curved line going down for the rest of the tiger's leg. As you move down, leave some small gaps along the leg to represent the white space between the stripes. For the foot, draw a small curved line and add toes to it. Let's draw two more curved lines here, which resembles the last leg. Now add some more stripes, and this will be the tail of the tiger. You're doing such a great job. For the finishing touch, let's draw a few little fish swimming around the tiger, giving the feeling of motion in the water. Add a few bubbles around the tiger to show it's in the water. Now your drawing feels alive. And there you have it, your very own swimming tiger. You've done a fantastic job from start to finish. I hope you had so much fun as much as I did. And I can't wait to see you in the next drawing adventure. Keep creating and remember to always enjoy.